Today we're going to practice a restorative inversion. Inversions are wonderful for many things, for increasing our relaxation hormones through our system more than our stress hormones as they affect the endocrine system. And the one we're going to do today is especially useful for spine health. So if you have an ottoman, a chair, or a stool, you can grab that. We're going to use that today. And then we'll place it right on top of our legs. You might also like a blanket underneath your head. So laying just back on our spine is difficult for many of us Westerners who lean over cell phones and technology a lot. So if we can support the head and neck, that usually eases up that cervical spine weight. And then I have shorter legs, so I'm going to take a bolster underneath my ankles as well. So just kind of notice where the chair hits you, and if your legs are just kind of floating up there, you want to ground them down. Then you can hip walk your hips toward the chair or your bolster or ottoman, and then lay back over that blanket. You can roll up the edges to cradle your head so that your head, neck, and jaw are relaxed. And the ribs, we don't want the ribs poking out. And so that propping of the head, neck, and shoulders can help to relax the ribs down. And then relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the spine. You can stay here for 10 to 15 minutes. And as we're here, you might notice that more of you, the more relaxed you become, is connected to the floor. This actually helps the disc become a little puffy as the pressure of gravity presses against your yoga mat, the spine against the yoga mat. There's an internal massage for the organs happening as you breathe our 3-part breath. Belly, ribs, chest. And then exhale without an abdominal contraction. Just slowly exhale, feeling your stomach pool. As the discs become puffy, we get a little taller. The synovial fluid can move and bathe the spinal column. This is one of the best things we can do to release fatigue as well as our back health after a long day. If you want to add a little more lymphatic movement, then you can spread open your toes and squeeze your toes a couple times. And then just close your eyes, bathing in that relaxation from the soles of the feet, the tips of the toes, the ankles, the shins and knees, the thighs and hips and pelvis, the sides of the spine, the shoulders, upper arms and elbows, the forearms and wrists, the palms of the hands, the tip of each finger. Just relaxing. And focus on that breath for 5 breaths. Belly, sides, chest. Slow exhale through the nostrils or pursed lips. Breathing in fully and deeply and breathing out completely. As you're breathing, let that breath wave over you. And relax any need to hold yourself up. Let your hamstrings relax, your quadriceps relax, the sides of the hips. Let the low belly muscles relax, just as if you were suspended. That tractioning out of the spine, the low back. Just a gentle smile behind the lips, one of contentment. You might start to notice any dense places in the body feeling a little lighter as this posture is more energizing. Awake body, balanced mind. And then just allowing yourself to be breathed. You can stay here a little longer or walk your feet out to the edge of the chair and then roll over onto one side. Use your arms to press up and finish in your seated position. Namaste, everybody.